Dear beloved in Christ, go and build, for I am with you. Work, fear not. These are the uplifting words God sends to you and to me today through the prophet Haggai. Do you find useless? See nothing? Jesus gives us hope. When no one can see, Jesus can see the best out of you. And he says it won't come easily. The Son of Man brought redemption after being rejected, killed, and then rose again to glory. You and I will be rejected, sometimes killed many times through different situations, but he will make us rise again. Have a good day.